Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW A70 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, you need to access clock by tapping on it and select alarm at the top left corner. Now tap on this plus icon and set up an hour. When you're ready, choose days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones and tap on the switcher next to vibrate to disable or enable vibrations. After that, tap on label. If you wish to label your alarm, you can do this over here and save it by clicking on OK. Now choose ringtone and tap on add new. Then you can pick music from your smartphone by tapping on the top left corner over here, selecting one of those sources and clicking on the song that you wish to set up. Then you need to go back. And you can also, if you want to, pick one of those device sounds by tapping on the best one, like ringtone, going back. And now, if you wish to save your alarm, click on Save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can switch it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it. Then turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it, you need to hold it, click on it and just delete at the bottom. If you wish to adjust more alarm settings, you can always do that by clicking on those three dots at the top right corner, choosing settings and adjusting all of them however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!